Very good morning to all. Myself Simarjeet Singh Hara, Chief Information Officer of ABC Insurance Company. The outline is to deal with the purpose, then we'll discuss some introduction regarding cloud computing. Then there are some models for which cloud computing works, its related advantages and disadvantages. Then we will discuss some associated risks and experiences of other companies, the infrastructure required, business case and sensitivity analysis, and at last we will discuss some conclusion and lessons learned from this presentation. First of all, the purpose of this presentation is to upgrade the existing system on which we are working. That is, we are working on some traditional system, but the market is changing, the values are changing. We are working on clouds. We want to work with clouds to integrate the data. It will bring the advancement in technology, and it will also benefit the company in terms of cost, in terms of money. So starting with the introduction, the cloud computing is a model to deliver IT services. Basically, it is a kind of technology that uses internet and central remote servers to maintain data and applications. Cloud computing allows consumers and businesses to use applications without installation and access their personal files at any computer on the internet. Instead of direct connection to the server, resources are retrieved from internet when required. Its main characteristics include resource can be pooled in terms of storage and network resources, and it provides on-demand access. There are different models for cloud computing that depends upon the categories we use. They are the service models, just like software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Basically, software as a service is a productivity tool that allows a user to run software applications provided over the internet via thin client web browser. User doesn't own or control the infrastructure, servers, operating system, or storage. For example, we can consider like Salesforce.com, Oracle, NetSuite are the examples of software as a service. Another is we can go for platform as a service. This model enables a customer to rent a platform, hardware, storage, or virtual computers to deploy it on specifically created applications. Applications are then supported by the providers like application development, security services, database management. Examples, the companies who provide this platform as a service are Microsoft Azure, Amazon EC2. Another category is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, that facilitates the connectivity and hardware to deploy the customer software, operating system, and applications. There are three different type of cloud services available also, like private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the public cloud. So basically, private cloud is a cloud that is established for the specific group or organization that limits access to just that group, while the public cloud is can be accessed by any subscriber with an internet connection and access to the cloud space. At the same time, we can go for hybrid cloud, that is basically the combination of both private and public clouds. Also, we have sometime like community cloud, that is combined with two or more public clouds. Experiences of other companies, according to Gartner survey, says that 85 insurance companies it was surveyed, and it revealed that 41% of them are using cloud computing and remaining are involved or planning to do so. Many researchers are focusing on private clouds along with the supervision and provision of moving on public clouds in future. There are some advantages associated with cloud computing, like it reduces the cost, it is easy to manage, uninterrupted services, it helps in disaster. So it is easy to manage in case of disasters, and it provides obviously green computing. There are some disadvantages, or we can say there are some threats associated with cloud computing, like data leakage. We have security issues, migration, because we are working on some existing system and we have to switch to some another system that may be an issue or that may be a disadvantage of using cloud computing at initial stages. Next here we have the base case that I'm going to present you. Like if we implement the cloud computing, we'll have some benefits like we have NPV of 25.01, IIR of 44%, and PI of 2.32 if we use this type of cloud computing for our infrastructure required. Payback period is 2.73 years. It's a base case for my presentation, or if we implement this, it will provide us with a base case. But come with the first scenario, if we increase the paper usage, let me think like if we are going to use cloud computing and the cost will be increased by $1 million, then obviously we have 37% of IAR and 2.02 of PI. You can see this, and payback period is 3.22 years, and it provides us with an average case. In scenario 2, if we decrease the training charges, I suppose because everything is on the cloud and we don't have to spend too much on training charges. So NPV will be decreased by 29.09, and IAR is 50% here. 2.62 is PI, and we will get our money back in around 2.42 years. That's the best case according to my assumption. Next, in the scenario 3, increase in the software acquisition from $10 million to $15 million, we will have NPV of 20.01 and IAR is 32% here. PI is 1.83 and payback period is very much and that is 3.60 years. But still, this is the all the three scenarios are best, and this scenario provides us the worst case among the three scenarios that I have chosen. But overall, we can think of cloud computing because it provides us with the benefit. And net present value is obviously in positive, and PI is greater than 1, so we can go for cloud computing. At the end, we can conclude with like information technology is on its high with its new concept of cloud computing. It brings new concept of virtualization. There is no doubt that cloud computing is the development trend for future. Also, it supports us with the computing capability, scalability, pay-per-use scheme, on-demand facilities, and there are a lot more advantages that we have already discussed. Lessons learned, like we have learned the basic knowledge of cloud computing, its future scope in the insurance sector, benefits oriented with cloud computing. We have worked with MS Excel to understand the formulas like NPV, IIR, and their significance. The lessons learned include some of the security threats with cloud computing because sometimes there is an issue of data leakage in cloud computing. These are the list of references that I have referred.